Here are the 5 most popular vegetable seeds to start indoors during this time of year. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a popular choice for starting indoors in March. They require a longer growing season, making it essential to get a head start. By starting tomato seeds indoors, you can ensure they have enough time to mature before transplanting them outdoors. Choose a variety that suits your taste preferences and growing conditions. Peppers, both sweet and hot varieties, are another excellent option for starting indoors in March. Like tomatoes, peppers need a longer growing season to produce a good harvest. By starting pepper seeds indoors, you can control the growing conditions and ensure they are strong and healthy when it's time to move them outside. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are a refreshing addition to any garden, and starting their seeds indoors in March can give you an early crop. Cucumbers thrive in warm temperatures, so starting them indoors allows you to provide the ideal environment for germination and early growth. Zucchini is a prolific producer that is easy to grow, making it a popular choice for gardeners of all skill levels. Start zucchini seeds indoors in March and transplant them outside once the soil has warmed up. Eggplant. Eggplant, also known as aubergine, is a popular vegetable to grow from seed in March. With a long growing season, starting eggplant seeds early gives them plenty of time to mature and produce a plentiful harvest. Eggplants thrive in warm temperatures, making March an ideal time to start these seeds indoors before transplanting them outside once the weather warms up.